Velociradar, the new chirp radar chronograph system from Caldwell, is coming. In this video, I'm going to give you a first hands-on look. Hey guys, Gavin here from ultimatereloader.com. We just got our pilot program unit, our Caldwell Velociradar chronograph. I've been waiting for this. This is super exciting. And the pilot program is coming up October 1st, 2024. It's literally just days away. So that was part of why I wanted to bring you this video. Let me show you what is included with the unit here. This is the first time that I'm getting everything out of the box. So there is the chronograph unit itself. This is the recoil trigger. There's a charging cable. We've got some dissectant packets there. What's nice about this unit is that it comes with a ball head tripod, right? And so we can very accurately position the chronograph unit so that it's pointing directly at the target. So the big difference between this unit and other Doppler chronographs that are on the market is that this uses chirp radar. So instead of having one data set, this can produce approximately 10 data sets between the muzzle and 100 yards. And what that allows this chronograph to do is to know what the actual distance of the bullet is at different points in time. And that means it can calculate a true ballistic coefficient. So in this video, we're going to kind of take a first hands-on look at this, get some data, and talk about how you can become part of the pilot program. $29.63. $29.43. $46. Let's see. Yep. Ready? I like that trigger. $20.45. $29.47. Nice. It looks like we got all 5 shots, and we have a full data set here. Standard deviation of 7.1 feet per second, extreme spread of 19 feet per second. We have minimum, average, and max. Average is 29.49, and a G1 BC of 0.4. I'll be changing that to G7 BC in the settings. So really great success. I'll be honest, I just turned it on, followed the instructions, and was off and running. Good stuff. Well, needless to say, I'm impressed. All 5 of our 5 shots that we tried with the chronograph were picked up right away. It was very intuitive to use, the Velociradar. I can't wait to show more content, including subsonic loads, handguns, and more, right? So stay tuned here on Ultimate Reloader for more coverage with the Velociradar. If you want to be a part of the pilot program, that's going to open up October 1st. You're going to want to check the video description and our accompanying article for the instructions on how to get in on that opportunity. You're not going to have to wait long. The public availability date is targeted for November 1st, right? So that's coming up really, really quick. And if you want to get one, we'll also have instructions on how to be a part of that initial public availability. I'm really excited about this chirp radar. I hope you are too. If you have comments about this quick demo, the unit, what you've seen of it, what you plan to do with it, drop a comment and we'll start that discussion. Thank you for watching. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you want to learn lucrative gunsmithing like what I show here on the channel, including building custom rifles in Cerakote plus a whole bunch more, you're going to want to check out the Colorado School of Trades, schooloftrades.edu. Thanks again for watching.